Students, welcome to Smart Education. It's me Padmadeep here. Today we will create this program, write a C program to display the following pattern. Here you can see this is the pattern we have to display in C program. So we will use looping and loop we will use for loop, and here but remember we have to use nested loop. Okay, so we have 5 lines. You can see 1 2 3 4 5, and each and every line we have 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. That means total 5 lines, and each and every line we have to print 1 2 3. So let's do the program. Here you can see I have the software here. Here this is compiler. Here you need to type has include std io.h, then int main function, bracket start, bracket close. Now you have to give the curly brace, then declare a variable. I'm going to use k and I variable here, and here you see I'm going to use for that for loop for a k. First k will be starting from 1 and k will be repeating up to 5 times. So here I'm going to type k less than or equal to 5, then k plus plus. Now you have to use the execute the loop body of k, and inside this loop body I will use another loop. That's why it is called nested loop. Here inside the loop another loop will be available, and here in this nested loop, or you can say inner loop, I'm going to use I variable. I will be 1 semicolon, then I less than or equal to 3, because we have to print up to 3 1 2 3. So here less than or equal to 3 semicolon, here I plus plus, each and every time will be incremented by 1. Then now you can use the loop body of this nested loop, or you can say inner loop. Here in this loop body I will print to I only. So here I will write printf within the double quotation %d, then comma, then I variable you can print. Now semicolon, come down, just close the this inner loop, this I variable inner loop, you can close it. Now we have to give the line break, so we will write here printf new line statement. So escape sequence we have to give to come to the new line, /n, or you can say \n. Why we are writing this new line statement? That means this escape sequence, you see in the question you can see 1 2 3 will be printed, then you have to come to the new line, then 1 2 3 printed, again new line. So each and every time that new line statement also will be executed. So new line we have given, then this k, this for, this outer for, or you can say main for, this main loop or outer loop will be finished here, then return 0 semicolon. Now you can give the curly brace of the main function. Then we have completed our program. So after completing the program we have to check whether it is correct or not, and I'm going to click the run button. You can see after clicking on the run button the output is showing here. So it is showing directly 1 2 3, but here is no space actually. You can see 1 2 3 is showing together. If you want space between 1 2 3, just you have to write here, just come to the source code. Sorry, here we have to go to the source code here. Yeah, just I'm going to source code, and here you see after this %d, you can see this %d, this is the %d. After %d you give a space, just a space is enough, then run it again. Now you can see here the space, it is matching with the question. Now in the question you can see here are some space. So if you want to display the space, then just give after this %d you have to give a space, then run it. It's showing exactly with the question. So this is it. This way you can make a program, this kind of program. If you get this kind of nested looping program, you can also make this program. You can practice in your computer. You can also create this kind of program. Hope you understood, and please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.